Honey has humectant properties that can moisturize your skin and make it supple. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can also help treat acne, burns, wounds, eczema, psoriasis, and other skin disorders. Honey draws moisture from the air and binds it to the skin. This added hydration gives the skin a fresh, youthful glow and suppleness, making fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable. Honey also contains natural antioxidants that fight free radicals, one of the leading causes of premature aging. Today in this video, I will share how to use honey for glowing skin. So let's start my video any delay. You will need 1 to 2 teaspoons honey and 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Make a thick paste with the honey and cinnamon powder. And your glowing pack is ready. Apply it to the face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash your face clean with water. Cinnamon has antiseptic properties that makes it great for dealing with breakouts. It kills bacteria and helps reduce the size of pimples. The ingredient can unclog pores so that acne can quickly reduce and go away. Often you should do this 1 to 2 times a week for best result. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.